you? A number of events that we have summarized for you in the ICP News Afternoon editorial team with me, Nis Almeida. We go straight to the first explanation. This Saturday, we will take you to Semarang, which never runs out of new tourist attractions. Our correspondent Tufahati Aulia Zahra will take us on a tour around the foot of the mountain Kerincing, while enjoying the view and hunting up for contemporary places to add to the photo collection and social media. Okay, we are now connected to Tufahati. Tufahati, how's the holiday atmosphere in Semarang? And where exactly are you now?
Sorry. Well, Alma, now we are in Semarang area. To be precise now, we are in Gua Kreo, which is located in sub-district of Gunung Pati. You can see that around of me, there's a monkey statue, which is in the iconic of this place. Because in this Gua Kreo, there are a lot of monkeys that allow visitors to interact and even meet photos.
Then, is there a special tradition there? Because if I see, this place is quite sacred.
Occasionally, when the cones are abundant, the community around Kreo will hold a traditional event called Rewanja. This event is a form of gratitude and love for living things, and the form of giving. Go to long-tailed monkey, but make sure you don't take that food because unless you are not monkey, it will be very fatal. Ask tourists here. So, good afternoon, ma'am. Oh, hi, good afternoon. Okay, so, who I'm talking to?
Oh, my name is Mila and I'm from China.
Okay, so why you choose Gua Kreo as your holiday destination?
Because this story is so interesting and it's about monkey. I love them.
Oh, okay. So, what about the atmosphere here? Is it worth it? From the ticket price?
Well, from where I'm from, it's rare to see a forest like this and I like it. And for the tickets only 10k.
Oh.
10,000 Indonesian rupiah. It's so worth it.
Okay, so thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, there's a bridge there, so that connect to Gua Kreo.
Alright. Yes, thank you to Fatih as our correspondent this afternoon, and also thank you for the information about Gua Kreo tour, which makes me interested in visiting the place. Well, enough for this afternoon's news. Happy weekend and stay safe.